Good morning, children. Last class I have told that we have completed the problems related to expansion of the algebraic identities. Now we have to do the factorization of the polynomials. So factorization you have little idea because we have already learned about this factorization in 8th class. That is, factorization means any expression or any number we are expressing as a product of several factors, right? So we are I'll just tell with the identity what is the factorization. You already know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is expanded form of a plus b whole square, but this side, that is a plus b whole square, I can write as a plus b into a plus b. So it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this expanded form have the factors a plus b and a plus b, right? So the factors of a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b into a plus b. Why we have to write in the form a plus b into a plus b? It is same as a plus b whole square only. Whenever it is a factor, we should express in the least form of the power. So if it is a plus b whole square, we can further factorize that one. So it should be written as a plus b into a plus b. Similarly, you can tell if it is a square minus 2ab plus b square is, here what will happen? A minus b into a minus b. Then one more I can tell you, that is a plus b into a minus b. Right? So what is the answer for this one? It is a square minus b square. So which side is factor? Factor is this one. Right? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So factors are a plus b and a minus b, because this side only we are getting the product. So here it is just either addition or subtraction only we are getting. So it is not called as a factors. When we know the number system, so if you are taking the 15, what is the answer? 3 into 5. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 15 only. So product of the numbers we are taking there. If I have taken 20, the factors I can write it 2 into 10, 1 into 20, like that many I can write for 20 also. So we are writing in a product form. So factorization means product of the factors only. It's a irreducible form only, that one, and it is a expansion form. If you are telling, it is a reversible process only. So we are getting back like this, a square minus b square. From where we are getting this one? When you are multiplying a plus b into a minus b. So the factors of a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Now one more identity you have studied, which is that one. Many identities you have studied, but still your knowledge, I am explaining one more identity, a plus b plus c whole square. What is expansion? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So the what is the factors for this one? A plus b whole square, but we should express as a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c are the factors for this one, right? So this is the case when we are saying that factors, product of the factors, we are expressing the number or the expression in terms of product. So we are getting the factors for a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca means a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So the power will be 1 only, the least power we got, right? So these are the method called factorization. Now we can go for the problems based on factorization. The first question is, factorize 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square. You should compare with any identities or any common factors, any other method you are able to find out the factors here. Here 3 terms are there. So what is the solution means? We should take down the question first, that is 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square, right? So 4a square can be written as 2a whole square. Similarly, 9b square, I leave some space and the last term I'll write 3b whole square. So you are getting the first and the last term in the form of a square plus b square form, right? You are getting first term as a square and the third term, that is the last term, as b square. Now we should think about this middle term. Understood? So you should get the middle term only, but without knowing that if these two are the first term and the last term of this expansion, then the possibility is 2ab. So 2 into, what is the first term? 2a into 3b. Right? So what we are getting here? 2 into first term, that is 2a, then the last term 3b, that is 2ab. So just I'll write for your knowledge, that is a square or x square I'll take here, because a and b already there. I write here x square, right? This as I got y square. So here I'll write 2 into x into y. So you are getting a similar identity like this. Which is that identity? A plus b whole square or x plus y whole square. So we got it is similar to identity. Now how we can cross check? After writing the middle term, 2 into 2a into 3b. Just multiply 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. A into b, ab. So we are getting back this expression only. So usually what we'll do means, children after getting the first and the third term, directly they will write the middle term. Sometimes it's not possible. In this case it is working, so we can take down. What is the case here? We, without thinking this middle term, you have assigned this is the first term and this is the second term. If this is the first term and this is the second last term, or b square, then what should be the middle term? It should be 2ab. So we are writing like this. Understood this one? So what is the next step should be? We will write the identity correctly. That is here x square I will write plus 2xy plus y square. It's not completed. What I should write? Where x equal to 2a and y equal to 3b. If that is the case, these three terms can make it in the form x plus 5 whole square. Right? We can write this as in the form x plus y whole square. If x plus y is whole square, this is the general form. Now we have to bring back to our original question. What is for x now? 2a. What is for y now? 3b. So 2a plus 3b whole square. Still the answer is not completed. Some children here only they will complete the answer. It's not correct. So we should write 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b. This is the factors for which one? This term 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square. I know that this is not easy one compared to our expansion, right? So what we should do? 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square. We can go for the common factor method. We can find out any other method, any identity form method. Like that we have to think about how we can factorize this one. So after seeing the three terms, we should think that it can come in the identity a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So we are thinking about the first and the last term, whether we are able to express in the form x square plus y square. It is possible. Understood? So once you got x square and y square as the first and the last term, then we have to think about what is the middle term. So not looking into the question, see that we identified this is the first and the last term. So you have to think about what is the middle term for this one. It is 2 into 2a into 3b. After writing this step, you should cross check. After multiplying, so 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 12, 12ab is coming, then only our identity is correct. So you can write this as x square plus 2xy plus y square, where x equal to 2a and y equal to 3b. Then what is the identity form? It is x plus y whole square. So it is equal to, we cannot complete here because that is not the question for us. The question is 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square. So we are writing here 2a plus 3b whole square. That means 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b. Second question, factorize x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1. So again in the similar pattern, we have to think about what is our first term and what is our last term. So we are writing that x raised to 4 can be written as x square whole square, right? Plus 1 can be written as 1 square. Now don't considering into the middle term. what are the possible answer for the middle term? It is a square, it is b square, right? So 2 into ab, so it is 2x square into 1. Now you check whether we are getting the middle term back. 2x square into 1 is 2x square only. Now what we can write there? It is, see, identity we can write, since it is in the form x only, I'll write a and b form. So I'll write that a square plus 2 into a into 1 plus b square, right? So 2 into a into b, it is, sorry, 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b square. It's not completed. What I should write? Where a equal to x square and b equal to 1. Right? Now we got the three terms. What is the, it is equivalent to which identity? It is equal to a plus b whole square. Now the answer is not complete. What we should do? A should be replaced with x square and b is replaced with 1. So x square plus 1 whole square. Again, what is the form? X square plus 1 into x square plus 1. This is the answer, right? So we got the product of factors for this one. So what is the answer for this? X square plus 1 into x square plus 1. I think you understood now. Still once again, we should consider the first and the last term in the form of a square. So it is possible. It should be written as x raised to 4 will be x square whole square. 1 will be 1 square only. Now we got the square term. So what should be the middle term? 2 into a is x square, 2 into x square. What is b? b is 1. 2 into x square into 1, right? Now we should cross check. What is the answer for middle term? It is coming. So we cross checked it is possible. So now we are writing the identity form a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a equal to x square and b equal to 1. If that is the condition, what is the equivalent identity? A plus b whole square. So what is a and b? X square and 1. So we replace that, x square plus 1 whole square. So whole square we should not keep. What we should do? X square plus 1 into x square plus 1. Now we got the least powers. So this is and also product. So this is called the factors of x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Third question, factorize x square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So I'll take down the question first. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Now if you go for these three terms, 6 terms are there. Now if you consider only this first 3, what is it in the form? It is in the form x whole square, right, plus y whole square plus 2 into x into y. That means 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So all the 3 terms are there. So there is no doubt for this one. So we can write that x plus y whole square. So the first 3 terms you got in the form of identity, and we came to know which identity it is, x plus y whole square. Now what is the next term? See that one, next 3 terms, minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. But in our identity, a plus b whole square means a square is plus, b square is plus. If you take a minus b whole square also, a square is plus, b square is plus. We will change the identity based on our middle term sign only. But in this question what happened? A square and b square are minus. So what we should do means, minus we should take common first. So what happens to this one? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now it sounds good because it is close to which our identity only. It is similar to our identity. So what is the meaning of this one? A whole square minus 2 into a into b plus b whole square, right? So this side I'll continue x plus y whole square only, minus, this is which identity now? Middle term is minus. So a minus b whole square. Now this is in the form which identity? One more identity is coming, which is that one. It is equal to a square minus b square. If it is a square minus b square, so what is the identity? Before writing that one, I'll write that where a equal to x plus y, and b equal to a minus b, right? Now a square minus b square I got. So what is a square minus b square? It is a plus b. We need product form. We cannot write this is a factorization. A minus b. Do you remember this identity? A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Now what is the next step? We should substitute the value. What is a? It is equal to x plus y. B is plus a minus b. Since it is a plus, there is no change for the second term. But what happens to here means, here a is x plus y, minus sign is coming, then second term, that is b is a minus b, right? So first bracket no problem, because since it is a plus, x plus y, a minus b, plus a minus b. Now what happens to here? X plus y, minus sign I am applying, minus a, minus into minus plus b. We got in the form of product, right? Now I'll explain once again. See, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. There is no problem with the first three term. It is a direct application of our identity. So you are getting it as x plus y whole square. Here what happens, the second part, minus a square minus b square. There is no identity which are having squares or minus. So we are taking minus common. So the remaining terms in the bracket, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now minus sign we have taken, and now you are easy to understand which identity it is, that is a minus b whole square. Still the question is not completed ours. Why? Solution is not able to complete because you got we have not got in the form of a product now. It is again subtraction format only. But it is also one more identity, which is that one, a square minus b square. What is a then? What is b? A is x plus y, b is a minus b. So I have used capital letters. So if it is a square minus b square, what is the factors then? A plus b into a minus b, right? So a and b I am replacing. A is x plus y, b is a minus by. Since a minus b, since it is plus, there is no change for the second term. But here what happens, it's a minus. X plus y, for a we have written minus of a minus b. After that we have to apply minus sign. So the second bracket will become x plus y minus a plus b. So now we got this expression, that is x plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square equal to x plus y plus a minus b into x plus y minus a plus b. It is in the form of product of the factors. So we have got the factorization answer here. Next question, factorize 25x square minus 60xy plus 36y square. So I'll take down the question itself. 25x square minus 60xy plus 36y square. Try to find out the first and the last term in the square form. 25x square can be written as 5x whole square. Again, after leaving some space, I'll write 36y square can be written as 6y whole square. So we are getting 36 only and y square also. Now sign is minus only. Now we have taken as this is the first term and this is the third term. That is a square format, a square and b square. So 2ab means 2 into a means 5x, b means 6y. Now cross check whether we are getting 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 6, 60, 60xy. So we are getting the answer for the middle term. Now I am changing this. This is in the form a, x and y only. So I am writing this as a square minus 2 into a into b, because this is b square only, right? Now it's not completed. What we should write? Where a equal to 5x and b equal to 6y. Right? Now a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. Now a and b we should change. What is our a? 5x. What is our b? 6y whole square. We should not keep in square form. We should bring into the least power. So 5x minus 6y into 5x minus 6y 2 times. This is the answer. We should not we are not able to further able to reduce this as a further factors. This is the least format. So we got the answer for this one. So 25x square minus 60xy plus 36y square equal to 5x minus 6y into 5x minus 6y. If you are writing the answers like this, you will not get the complete mark in the answer sheet, right? So you should bring like this only, because it is already understood that you cannot explain there. You should write in this way only, 5x minus 6y 2 times. That is the Today we just started factorization of the polynomials based on the identities, because this year we have studied many identities, so you have to practice these questions. This is not that much easy, just a beginning only. So what you should do means, whatever questions today we have solved here, practice that one, then only you can understand next level also. Please do it, because it is required. This factorization topic is very important, so practice more. Thank you.